Guys, how you doing this morning? So I'm making this particular fringe outfit. So if you guys can see, you start out with the bodysuit. So I made this bodysuit, and this whole bodysuit down to the sleeves is going to be covered with this gold rhinestone bling. So it looks like this, and you just cut it. So I get it off of Amazon. So you cut it to the length that you want. So when people ask with these outfits, why do they cost as much as they do? Because it's going to take, I would say, probably 7, 8 to 9 hours, maybe even longer to complete this. So I always tell my customers, if you want, I can make the bodysuit and you do this yourself. Because honestly, I really don't like have to sit down for all these hours and do it. But when you have to sit down for all these hours and attach all these pieces on this outfit, yes, it's the labor that we're putting in. So yes, you're gonna have to pay for that time, because it's gonna take, then cutting this is a long time too. So the first day I take just cutting these. So it might take me about 4 hours to cut. And for this, you're going to need about 20 yards. So when you're doing this, you're going to need about 20 yards of this ribbon to be able to do what I want to do to this particular piece. I seen the lady with an outfit that had all this on there. And I'm like, I want to complete that. Guess how much the outfit was? Like about $599. So I'm like, wow. So I guess it's the time, that they have to put all these pieces on there. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a behind the scenes for the people that want to do these outfits, and they was wondering how these outfits is made. It's literally a bodysuit, and you gluing all of these pieces on to it. So another thing I want to tell you guys, you have to, when you're using spandex, you're going to have to make sure that you use a cardboard or one of these to pull the spandex, because if you glue all this and it's not your size, you're not going to be able to fit it. So keep that in mind. And these are hot glue gun fingers. So I can literally touch the glue through, the glue comes through. So I just wanted to give y'all behind the scenes of how this is made. And so if there's people that want to do it, you guys can definitely do it yourself. It's a lot of, you just got to set aside the time. But yes, for my customers that want me to do it, yes, for these, they like 150 to 160 depending on the size. Because, and wait a minute, wait. We got to consider the material. So I got about 20 yards of this. And then the fabric that we need to make the bodysuit. So it'll probably be between 180. And then with the shipping, we could do a flat rate, but then we might have to do a box because it's going to be quite bulky. But yeah, so that's how it's made. This is behind the scenes. So for anybody that want to make it themselves, like I can make the bodysuit for you, or you can go online and buy you a bodysuit and you can make this. So I just wanted to give y'all a behind the scenes. When y'all see me making these kind of outfits, I'm going to show y'all one of the other ones that's complete. So y'all can literally do it yourself. But this is how I do these particular outfits. So yes, it takes a lot of time to do this, to complete this. So that's why I charge the amount of money that I do, because I got to make the bodysuit, guys. And after making the bodysuits, the longest part is attaching all this stuff. So now you guys know why it costs the way it costs. I'm going to show y'all some more, because it's the labor. So here's another one. Here's another one. So that's why these cost as much as they do. Here's another one. So it's the labor that goes into making these. So just wanted you guys to know that. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So now you know behind the scenes how these are made. So you guys can create and make your own beautiful fringe. So when they're done, I consider them as rompers. I don't consider them as like the leotards. So this, when I get this complete, guys, I'll do a video and try it on. This one is mine. And we'll go from there. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.